It's 9-year-old Demarjay. Nice to meet you. Whoa! Wow, you're strong. Yeah, look at the guns. Amazing. Come and sit down. Nice to meet you, Demarjay, and welcome.
Thank you.
Are you enjoying England?
Oh, yeah, I'm loving it.
Now, I've not met many personal trainers in my life. I don't know if you can tell. Anyway, I have met Mr. Motivator. I don't know if you've ever heard of him. No, you wouldn't have heard of him. That was 8,000 years ago. But I've not met a 9-year-old personal trainer. So tell me what motivated you.
I had a cousin who was once bullied about his size and his weight.
Oh, OK.
So he came home crying to his mom. I was so mad, and I said, come on, we gotta make a change. Anything you do, you gotta keep on pushing. You need to fight. You need to want it. You need to go up there and say, I can do it. Sweat that body off.
Yeah. I have no idea what that would feel like. Absolutely no idea. So basically, it's all about strength in the face of bullying?
Yeah.
And what happened with your cousin?
My cousin was never bullied anymore.
What a guy. Are you any good with bingo wings or anything like that? Muffin tops, you know, do you know about that, spare tyres? Any good? No. Could you get me beach body ready in the next 6 weeks? Don't even bother to answer that. You have a Jamaican accent. What's going on there?
My dad is Jamaican, from the Caribbean, you know. And when him talking Jamaican dialects, me say, you know, me have to pick up that fast, because I love the language.
What, go on?
Away the pan.
Mash it up. You little ting and ting.
Nice.
Respect.
Enough respect to you.
Enough respect. Ladies and gentlemen, Demarjay.
Subscribe to watch the latest videos. Visit the Little Big Shots channel to watch more.